Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. And for all of my new and returning subscribers, welcome. I am so happy and I feel so blessed that you are here. So today's vlog is gonna be like a collective vlog. I guess that's what they call it. Normally I record on the weekends, but some things have been going on. I hadn't gotten a chance to record. So I said, you know what? I do a little something during the week. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. Like I did a grocery haul. You'll see that in this video. I also cleaned out my refrigerator. That's gonna be in this video today. As you can see, I just finished washing my hair. So I did my hair today. No, I did not film that. But also I'm going to make some beef stew. We're supposed to have some bad weather coming our way and we don't know when it's really gonna hit. I know it's gonna hit sometime this week, but you know, during this time when it's really cold and it's cold today, my husband and I can't just say him, but me too, I always want some type of a stew or a soup. So we're gonna make some beef stew today. I've already made this beef stew on my channel once before, and I got it from a young lady. I can't think of her name. I know her name is Tammy something, but when I get ready to prepare it, I will put it on the screen of where you can go to her channel and see how she makes it. I'm gonna follow her recipe a little bit to the T. I always try to make it my own. So I'm gonna leave the recipe also in the description box, but I'm also gonna leave a link to her channel in the description box as well. Let me slow down, y'all. So anyway, y'all, to no longer prolong the intro, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, cleaning out this refrigerator is very hard work. And the only reason why it's so hard is because my refrigerator is pushed up against this wall here, and this door can't go no farther than what it is. So this drawer right here, I had to move it in order to clean behind it and clean down, which you guys can't really see that because I'm in the way. And I tried to set my camera up where you guys could see what I was doing in here. You got a few shots, but there's no tray here, down here, where you can see what I'm doing here. So you saw what it looked like before. Yeah, it's very dirty, I'm embarrassed to say, but that's why we're doing what we're doing now. We're cleaning. So I'm gonna try my best to put this tray back and clean it out while it's in there, which I can do that, but it would be much easier if I could move it to the sink and really clean it out there. But since it's hard to get out and I can't move this door any farther to pull it out, then I'm gonna have to do my best to clean it while it's in there. Also, I may have to get hubby to come and pull the refrigerator out so I can get the bottom drawer out, because there's a lot of debris that's underneath this drawer that needs to be cleaned, or I'm gonna have to figure out how to pull it out some type of way and get it back in there. But the only way I could do that is if I could take this drawer out and pull the other drawer out so I can clean up under. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I was finally able to get it out. So the only way I could have gotten it out is move that tray that was there. So I'm gonna get ready to take it over here and clean it. You guys, I thought I was recording. I was getting ready to take you guys over to the refrigerator to show you what the bottom of it looks like, and the camera cut off on me, so let me know I wasn't recording. But I finally got the bottom piece out of the refrigerator. I have been able to clean my refrigerator out before, but I wasn't able to pull these drawers out. So let me show you what the bottom of my refrigerator looks like, because I wasn't able to pull these drawers out. Thank God he showed me, because it was him, because I wasn't able to do it before. He showed me how to get these drawers out. So let me show you what my refrigerator looks like. You see all that crap? I gotta really clean the bottom of the refrigerator. So this is what was under those drawers. As you can see, I've cleaned the bottom of the fridge. Now these stains right here, this looked like hot sauce or something that has probably fallen and stained the bottom of the fridge. So I have no way of knowing how to get that out since it's a stain. But y'all, I've got it cleaned in here. Yeah, I sound tired because this is a job. So now I'm gonna start over here and clean these trays. These can be, well, this one can be removed. So I'm just gonna clean those out and then we'll be done with the fridge. Not touching the freezer, because that's okay. It's a lot of stuff in there and I don't want anything to defrost. So that's another job for another day. But very good job on the fridge. Hubby came in and said, wow, you're doing a very good job. He's trying to be a little sarcastic. He knows I clean this fridge, but this is the second time that I've done it on camera. So let me get started on this side. See, I have finished deep cleaning my refrigerator and I got the drawers out and was able to put them back in. I have another video where I cleaned out my fridge and I wasn't able to take those things out, but God showed me how today. So I was able to get under there and get all that gunk and dirt and stuff that had built up back there. And also I got my shelves cleaned. Hi everyone. So my family and I just finished our grocery shopping for the week. Now some of this came from Piggly Wiggly and some came from Kroger's. Also we made another stop at Wholesale Nutrition and I'll share with you what we got from there. So starting over here, we got an onion. We got some fresh chicken livers. I'm gonna be making Pika. Either I or my daughter will be making Pika's homemade dog food. Also, we got some sweet potatoes. We have blueberries, some mandarins, strawberries. We got some carrots. I'm gonna be making chicken and dumplings. I'm not sure if I'm gonna share it in this vlog, but if so, you'll see it. If not, it'll be in another vlog. Also, we got some green and red bell peppers, a zucchini. That will be going to Pika's homemade dog food. Some heavy whipping cream. We got some Oscar Mayer chicken breast. We also have some Land O'Lakes turkey, hickory smoked turkey breast. So we have 2 packs of breaded okra. We have some silk almond milk, not almond, but soy milk. We have some mixed fruit snacks. We also have some Bounce dryer sheets. We have some mild sausage, rainbow sherbet. We also have some chicken breast. We also have some chicken gizzards. We have 3 pounds of ground turkey. Now this came from Kroger's. We have some Dove body wash. We have the coconut and green tea and the aloe eucalyptus. We also have some chicken thighs. We have several different types of kombucha. We got this at Kroger. Baby girl picked this up. She wanted to see how this is. She's on her weight loss journey. So these are energy bars. We have white chocolate and macadamia nut. I think both of these are. We also have some mangoes. I love mangoes, y'all. And we also have some Glory seasoned Southern style mixed greens. We have some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Like I said, I am making chicken and dumplings. So I have the Mary Hill dumplings. We got this at Piggly Wiggly's. Also at Piggly Wiggly's, we got the steamed fresh broccoli florets. My husband, he loved these sliced oranges, these sliced candy oranges. I think that's what they're called. We got those at Kroger. We also got some crackers. My baby got these crackers here. I think these are peanut butter crackers. At Piggly Wiggly's, we got some New York strip steaks, and we got 2 packs of the pork chops. So right here we got this at Wholesale Nutrition. My baby got these sour strip bites from Wholesale Nutrition. We got some pre-workout down here. This is something that she's taking. Also, I got me the plant-based superfood Green Vibrant. I got 5 of these. Also, I think this is my husband's, some pre-workout that my husband got, some megawatt for him. Moving along over here, we got some Dawn Platinum dishwashing liquid. We have some minute rice, we have the white rice and the brown rice. We have some white cheddar that will be going on popcorn that my husband have here. We have some minced garlic, and we have some Gain laundry detergent. So you guys, this is my grocery haul. So we're getting ready to get started on our beef stew. Now we're getting ready to season the meat. These are the seasonings that she used in her video. There's one that is not here, and it's her personal seasonings that she makes. So to make this recipe, I'm sorry for the noise in the background, that's my washing machine. But we have some salt, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. She didn't specify what type of oil she used, but this is what I'm using to fry the meat. Here in the back, we have the seasonings that I'm going to be using since I don't have her personal seasoning. So we're going to use some Creole Kick, some honey chipotle, sweet smoky rub, rotisserie chicken seasoning, and some smoky mesquite seasoning. So these are the seasonings that I will be using to season the beef. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so here are the rest of the ingredients that we will need to make this beef stew. Starting over here, we need rosemary, flour, beef broth, carrots, bay leaves, celery, onions, red cooking wine, potatoes, minced garlic, cream of mushroom soup, Lipton onion soup mix, 1 packet, and thyme. So these are the remaining ingredients you will need to make this delicious beef stew. So let's get started. Okay, guys.
So good people. Right? So outside of this moment, tornadoes are warning going off in Mississippi and Tennessee. But my wife took time to fix me some food. What is this, baby? It's a homemade what?
Beef stew.
Beef stew. So you know, to make this good old beef stew, you some good old missing water. So, for you people who understand the concept, it's hot out here.
Okay, it's hot. Don't do like you did the last time. Please don't.
Freshly cooked.
Please, blow. It is hot.
Blowing ain't gonna just do it.
He gonna do another dance.
You one thing.
What?
You one thing that my baby girl hates. Stay right there. Good old saltine crackers. Had to have them saltine crackers. To just wash it on down. My baby girl hate to hear me getting some crackers. But it goes with it. Good old saltine crackers, a home cooked meal. Yeah, get that good old carrot, potato, some of that beef, and the rice.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, dinner is done. My husband loves the beef stew. So you guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I had said before, the link to Tammy's channel is in the description box below, along with the recipe. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video.